Today we'll be looking at methods. A method is a block of code which is separate from the main coding section. You can pass data known as parameters in a method. You can call the method in the main coding section. Methods are used to perform certain actions, and they are also known as functions. Writing methods. Methods consist of a declaration and a body. The method declaration includes the access level, return type, name, and parameters. A method is written like access level, return type, method name, parameters, if there is any, open bracket, and whatever code you want in there, and then close bracket. The access level determines if other classes can access this method. This is where public and private go. Return type specifies whether a value will be generated by the method. Void means no value will be generated. Otherwise, we can return any data type, like integer or a double. Method name. The method name can be whatever you want, but it should reflect what the method implies. The word static will precede the method name. Parameters. A method does not need to have parameters, but otherwise these are values that the method needs to perform its intended task. Now we'll be doing an example of writing a method. I will start by importing the scanner. So we do import java.util.scanner, and we'll be making a new method. So we have the main here, and we're doing public static void centimeters to inches, and that's what our little demo here is going to be. So we could type double cent for centimeters and inch for inches, and we can import the input. Scanner I equals new scanner system.in, and we could type system.out.print enter centimeters, and then cent equals I.next int, or double I mean. Then under here we could do I.close. Then inch equals cent times 0.393701. Or wait. There we go. And then we could type system.out.println. There is plus inch plus inches in plus cent plus centimeters and semicolon. That should be right. So there is the number of inches in, number of centimeters. So that's the first one, and we could do the second one, which will be inches to centimeters. So we could do the same thing. We could do public static void inches to centimeters, and we could do the same thing. We could do double cent and inch. Oops. Oh my. And then scanner I equals new scanner system.in. We could do system.out print enter inches, and then inch equals cent dot, or oops, I dot next double, and I dot close. And then we could do cent equals inch divided by 0.393701. And then the same thing here, so we would switch stuff around. So system.out.println, there is cent plus centimeters in inch plus inches. So that's it for these. And then in the main, we'll want to have a choice, so it can pick one or the other. So we can make an int choice and then another scanner so it can detect that. Same thing as always, system.in. And down here, we could write system.out.println. And we could do 1 centimeters. Oops. Oh, my bad. 2 inches. Or a period, I mean. And same thing. System.out.println. 2 inches, 2 centimeters. And then it's an enter your choice. So it'd be like, enter. I can't type today. Oh my, I really can't type today. Oh my. And then a choice equals i.next int. And we could do an if statement, so we could choose. So choice equals 1. Then centimeters to inches. And then just an else. Inches to centimeters. And yeah, that should be it. So we test this out here. Centimeters to inches, we put in 5. Enter inches. Oh, wait. I'm switched, messed it up. So 1 and 5. And there's 1.968505, so repeating 2 inches in 5 centimeters. We could put a period here. And we can now do the other one. Your choice 2. For inches. 10. There we go. Method parameters. A method can have multiple parameters. Arguments in a method call must be passed to a method in the same order as the parameter declarations. Methods with the same name, but with different parameters, are said to be overloaded. Primitive arguments are passed by value, which means that the data stored in the argument is passed, not a reference to the argument location. A method can only use the argument values in the task it performs. A method cannot change the data stored in an argument. The body of a method can include variable, constant, and object declarations. These declarations are said to be local because they have a scope that extends just from the declaration to the end of the method body. Documenting methods. Documentation of a method is important for the reader to understand what the method does. Method documentation is enclosed by / space / and includes a brief description of the method, precondition, and a postcondition. Every method must have a postcondition, but not every method needs a precondition.